In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Xender app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is head over to our Player App Store, click onto search, and then search for Xender, and then hit enter. So you can see here on my device, I've got it here. So I want to click onto it. It's by Xender file sharing team. It's got over 500 million downloads and 4 million reviews. So Xender is a popular app for sharing files between devices quickly without using mobile data. So now if you can't find this in your search, there could be a few reasons for this. So device compatibility, so older phones or tablets may not meet the minimum OS requirements. And also some low-end devices may not be supported due to hardware limitations. Also, they've got region restrictions as well, so certain apps are only available in specific countries. If Xender isn't showing in your region, it might just be blocked. So using a trusted VPN can sometimes fix this, but proceed cautiously. Also, App Store glitches. So sometimes the Play Store or App Store doesn't show all apps due to cache or syncing issues. So to fix this, basically what we want to do is go back and go ahead and click and hold down the Play Store, click on the eye, click onto storage, then clear cache. Now that might fix those bugs as well. Now, another thing, we might be having some issues with unstable internet connection. So slow or unstable internet can prevent the store from displaying search results properly. So try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data.